All right, we have a 2020 Shelby GT500 in. This car is getting full body PPF, so we're gonna wrap the entire vehicle in LLumar's Platinum PPF. We're gonna ceramic coat the PPF once we're done, just for ease of cleaning and maintenance. We're also gonna ceramic coat the wheel faces, because this car's got these incredible carbon fiber faced wheels. So definitely want to keep those nice and clean. And we have Ryan here with cars, who's gonna do some PDR work before we put the PPF on. So stay tuned.
Hi guys, it's Justin here at Detailed Solutions. Today we're working on a 2020 Shelby GT500. Pretty nice spec, very difficult in the color though. Black is super difficult for installs because it shows all your mistakes and flaws, so you need to make sure you take your time. Install wise, thus far we've done almost everything on the front end. I've done the front bumper, we've gotten the fenders on, the doors, we've got the roof on. I'm about to actually do the quarter panel with the A-pillar in while the cameraman falls over on my wash bucket. With that being said, you know, again, you just have to really take your time on installs for black vehicles. A lot of problems that people tend to have is they tend to have some work marks through here because of this gap here. A lot of times also around this knuckle if you're not doing the install the right way. So with that being said, stay tuned and check out my results.